Hello guys, welcome to the Udemy SketchUp 2025 Masterclass. In this tutorial, we're going to continue copy, move, and other tools training and review for you. So in the previous time, we create this 3D model with taking copies, rotational copies, and how we can work with it. In this session, we only want to work with the rotate option very fast and quick and review it very simple. Imagine we have the box in here, so I'm going to draw my rectangle like this. For example, 0.4, 1.2, something like that. I'm going to extrude it a little bit, about 1.2, something like this. And now I want to triple click on this model, click right, and I'm going to click on the make group in here. I want to convert this object to the group. Now I'm going to click on the rotate option. When you click on the rotate option, you can see this circle on your cursor, which helps you to find the way on which axis you want to rotate your object. In this case, if I move my cursor near to my object, as you can see the vertices and the nodes are shown for me. I'm going to go to the end point, and now my circle is green. It means that the rotation will be done on the green axis, so I'm going to do this work only as a test. As you can see, we can do it. The snap is on, and you can see what will happen in here. For example, I'm going to rotate it about 45 degrees. Very simple. This time, I'm going to move my cursor to this point, but you can see now the circle don't have any necessary color. It means that we can't rotate our object accurate on the cleared axis. So I'm going to move it a little bit, play with it. For example, red axis. I'm going to left click like that. And now you can see what will happen. We can rotate it on the red axis. Something like this, for example, 60 degrees. It completely depends on you how you want to work with it. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z on my keyboard. Click on the rotate again. This time I want to move my cursor here like that and rotate it like this, 90 degrees. As you can see, we rotate our model 90 degrees like that. But what will happen if we have a plane in here? I'm going to draw some simple plane. Doesn't matter how it looks like. And I'm going to click on the rotate option. Select my object. Click on the rotate option. Now I can move my cursor near to the end point. And the circle is blue. It means that the rotation will be like this. Very simple and easy. Any place I do the left click again, it will hold for me like that. Very simple, very useful. So if I want to press Ctrl Z in here and click on the rotate option, and this time do the free rotational copy. For example, select this point estimately like that, like this, press Ctrl on my keyboard and start taking some multiple copies like this. And type 5x, for example, or 4x, something like that. The rotation will be done for me. So this totally about the rotate option and how we can work with it. On the other hand, we can hold Ctrl, select these objects, click on the move option, and take some copy on the blue axis, for example, 1.8, and I need 3 times of this copy. Something like that will be happen for me. As you can see, working with rotate, copy, move only needs some more training, and you need to practice it anytime. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your valuable watching. In the next tutorial, we will talk about scale and follow me option. Goodbye.